Hello everyone, my name is Jaya Savino, Diploma 3 Informatic Engineering from Amikom University. In this video, I will explain two things. The first one is non-clouds, and the second one is how IoT devices work in smart agriculture. The first one is the definition of non-clause. A non-clause is a dependent clause that functions as a noun in a sentence. It can act as subject, object, and complement. The function of non-clause. The first is subject. A non-clause can act as the subject of a sentence. Second one is object. A noun clause can function as the object of a verb. The last one is complement. A noun clause can complete or explain the subject of a sentence. And here is the example of noun clause. The first is what. For the example is the developer knows what the PHP script does. Second one is who. For the example is the admin knows who access the server. The third one is whom, and the example is the admin knows whom the notification is delivered to. And the fourth one is where. For the example is the system shows where the MySQL database is stored. And here for the another example, the fifth one is when, and for the example is the database stores when the transaction is complete. The sixth one is why, and the example is the developer understands why the code failed. The seventh one is which. The system decides which data should be displayed. And the eighth one is whose. The system logs whose API key was used. The ninth one is how. The developer explains how the algorithm works. And the last one is if or whether. The program tests if the database connection is successful. And another example is the system checks whether the user is authenticated. Now, for the second things I will explain is how IoT devices work in smart agriculture. For introduction, smart agriculture is the use of Internet of Things, or we call it IoT, the devices to improve farming efficiency. These devices help farmers monitor environmental conditions and make better decisions using real-time data. For the main function we have four. The first one is monitor soil moisture, temperature, and humidity. The second one is control irrigation system automatically. The third one is detect pests and plant disease early. The last one is track crop growth using drone and camera system. Next is IoT components. We also have four components. The first one is sensors such as soil, weather, and camera. The second one is connectivity such as Wi-Fi, LoRa, or cellular network. The third one is cloud platform for data processing and alerts. And the last one is user interface such as mobile apps or dashboard. We also have advantage and disadvantage. For advantage, we have three, such as save water and energy, increases crop yield, and reduce manual labor. For disadvantage, we have high initial costs, requires stable internet connection, and cybersecurity risk. In conclusion, we have IoT devices in smart agriculture help farmers work more efficiently and sustainably. Although there are challenges such as cost and security, the benefits make IoT an important technology for the future of agriculture. Thank you.